Welcome to you in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous video, the region bounded by some curves, we have find out the area of that very specific region or by the use of definite integral. Here in the same sequence, same exercise, we are trying to find out the value of region bounded by the vertices of triangle ABC under question number 4. We just see here, if you trace the triangle ABC as given the vertices A is equal to minus 1 0, B is equal to 1 3 and C is equal to 3 2. Now the bounded area, the bounded region, that is the area of triangle ABC, we have to calculate by virtue of definite integral the area of the triangle ABC. Actually, we have draw a perpendicular from B to x-axis, that is BL, and from C to x-axis, that is CM. Just we have drawn perpendicular BL CM on positive x-axis. We just divide the triangle ABC in two triangle, that is triangle ABD and triangle DBC. Before finding the area, we will find out the equation of sides AB, BC and AC. Equation of side AB. We will just remember the formula, the line joining the 2 points PQ whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2 will be equal to y minus y1, that's equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 within the bracket x minus x1. We utilize the same formula to calculate the equation of side of AB. Here x1 y1 is minus 1 0, x2 y2 is equal to 1 3. Now you may use the formula y minus y1 means 0, y2 means 3, y2 minus y1 upon x2 1 minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, that is here minus 1, because x1 is given as minus 1 within the bracket x minus x1, that is minus minus plus. Or you may write the formula like under y is equal to 3 upon 2 x plus 1 or 3 by 2 x plus 3 by 2, the equation number 1. And AB BC, equation of BC. Equation of BC by applying the same formula y minus y1. Y minus y1 means 3, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 2 minus 3, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1 and x minus x1. Here we have seen that 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1, or y is equal to, by transferring the side, 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2x, or is equal to 2 3 are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 minus x by 2. This is the equation number 2, and the equation of side AC by using the same formula. Here x1 by 1, here you use x2 by 2, y minus y1, that is y minus 0, y2 minus y1, 2 minus 0, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1, x minus x1, that is x plus 1. Here this is 2, 3 minus 1, that is 4, here x plus 1. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, or y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 1, means x by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is the equation number 3. For finding the area of triangle, we will use here a small strip here in the triangle ABD, and a small strip here in the triangle DBC. Now area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to triangle ABD, triangle ABD plus triangle DBC. For finding the area of ABD, we will use this strip. Here y2 minus y1. y2 means the value of y in the straight line AB. Now triangle ABD will be equal to ABD will be equal to integral, this is the limit, minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1, because this have also x coordinate as 1, minus 1 to 1 y2 minus y1 dx, minus 1 to 1 y2 minus y1 dx, that is integral minus 1 to 1. y2 means the value of y from the equation of side AB. Equation of side AB means you have put here y equal to 3 by 2x plus 3 by 2. y2 means 3 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 minus y1. y1 means the value of y in the equation of AC. In the equation of AC, that is y1 is equal to this much, minus x2 minus 1 by 2 dx. Now minus 1 to 1, here 3 by 2x minus x by 2, is left only x. 3 by 2x minus x by 2 means x, and 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 means plus 1 dx. This is triangle ABD. ABD. Now this is equation as fourth. Now due to lack of space, I want to rub the upper part of triangle ABD. Here integral minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. X plus 1, integral of x plus 1 will be equal to x square by 2 plus x, and limit from minus 1 to 1. This is by substituting x is equal to 1. Here u will be equal to 1 square upon 2 plus 1. 1 square upon 2 plus 1, and minus here 1 by 2 minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This will be cancelled by this. 1 plus 1 means 2. Triangle ABD is equal to 2 square unit. Now the area of second triangle DBC. Area of triangle DBC is equal to the limit 1 to 3, 1 to 3, because the x coordinate of point B and point D will be the same. Here 1 to 3, 1 to 3, y2 minus y1 dx. Now the y2, here we will have DBC, the area of this y2 will be extracted from the equation of BC, the value of y in the equation BC. The value of y in the equation BC, just we have rub. Now the value of y2 means the equation of BC, that is y equal to 7 by 2 minus x by 2. 7 by 2 minus x by 2 minus y1, the value of y in the equation of AC, that is x by 2 plus 1 by 2 and dx. Triangle DBC is equal to integral from 1 to 3. Here 7 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 means 3, and 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 means x by 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be equal to 3, and minus x by 2 minus x by 2 will cut each other. This is dx, or this dx will be equal to integral 1 to 3. This is 3 dx minus integral 1 to 3 x dx. Now this is 3 into x, 1 into 3 minus here integral of x will be equal to x square by 2 and 1 to 3. This is x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. If you 3 dx means 3x. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and minus 1, and here minus 1 by 2. This is the 2, 3 8, and 2 3 x square by 2. Then this will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 3 9, 3 3 9, and 3 3 9, 1 here minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 into 2 minus 1 by 2, 9 minus 1 8, 2 4 is 8, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 square unit. 2 square unit. Now we will rub ultimate. Hence area of triangle ABC. Hence area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle DBC equal to 2, and from this equation 2, that is 4 square unit. This is the requisite answer of the question. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.